Hello friends, here we'll guide you to how to recover DBX files. By using SysInfo DBX recovery tool, it recovers corrupt, impaired and inaccessible Outlook Express DBX files with ease. The salient features of tool are: it enables the user to save emails in EML, DBX, MSG, RTF, and PST. It can restore the non-functional DBX files that is inaccessible by Outlook Express. Completely recovers Outlook Express metadata from impaired DBX files. It is compatible with all versions of MS Windows OS. Now let's see how the software works. Click Open button to select DBX file. Select DBX file and choose Recovery Mode. Click OK to start the process. Select any item to see the complete preview. Click on Save button to save recovered data. Select Saving File Format option which in Save Emails. Click OK to continue. Select the location where you want save recovered data. After completion of saving process, click OK. The software application. Hope you liked the video. For more such videos, follow us on Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching video.